Want to shop smarter on Amazon and spread out your payments easily? Let's dive into how you can use Klarna for your Amazon purchases. First things first, head over to Amazon.com and find that item you've been eyeing. Use the search bar just like you normally would to locate your desired product. Once you've found your perfect item, click on it to view the product details. Make sure everything looks good, and then proceed to add it to your Amazon shopping cart. After you've added all your desired items, navigate to your Amazon shopping cart. You'll see a summary of your order before you proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, look for the payment options. Amazon will display various ways you can pay for your order. Keep an eye out for the Klarna option. When you see Klarna listed, select it as your preferred payment method. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to choose your installment plan. Klarna will then present you with different payment plans. Typically, you can choose to pay in a few installments, spreading the cost over time and making your purchase more budget-friendly. Once you've selected your Klarna payment plan and confirmed your order, you'll see a confirmation page. Your Klarna app or account will also be updated with the details of your purchase. Now, managing your payments is simple. Open your Klarna app to track your upcoming payments and due dates, ensuring you stay on top of your budget. Happy shopping!